Meanwhile, a high-profile immigration case drew demonstrators from Milwaukee to downtown Chicago today, where a Wisconsin man is facing deportation after allegedly sending threatening letters to President Trump.
But there's one issue. Investigators say he was set up. Sabrina Franza is live for us now with what we know. Sabrina.
Joe, Erica, it's been a wild day for Ramo Morales Reyes, who investigators say was framed by a man who didn't want him to testify against him in another crime, one in which he was stabbed in a violent attack. Now the DHS is backtracking.
Ramon Morales Reyes, a Mexican national, appeared in court asking to be released on bond. He's been in the U.S. for 20 years, his attorney says, with 3 children who are all American citizens. Morales Reyes was arrested in May, accused of writing letters threatening to assassinate President Trump.
Could not read or write in Spanish, let alone this very eloquently English written letter.
Outside immigration court, advocates pointed out that investigators suspect Morales Reyes didn't write the letters at all.
I have to say this was a very interesting complaint, to say the least.
That this man, 52-year-old Demetric Scott, who faces 4 felony counts for sending 3 letters threatening the life of the president, framed Morales Reyes so that he could not testify against him in a different case. Morales Reyes had a U visa pending at the time of his arrest, a specific status granted to victims of crimes, in part so that they can safely testify in court.
He's not a flight risk. He just wants to stay in the country. And he's going to have to testify down the road on 2 cases, the armed robbery where he was a victim and the case where it's obstructing of justice, where this guy, Mr. Scott, wrote a letter threatening the life of the President of the United States.
The judge asked the DHS representative about the letters. They said they, quote, can't shine any light on that. Hours after the hearing, a Department of Homeland Security official conceded, saying Morales Reyes is no longer under investigation, though he's still in ICE custody pending removal proceedings.
Now, the judge in this case also asked about the criminal background mentioned by DHS, and they could not confirm he had been convicted of a crime back in 1996, which DHS says they're using as evidence to possibly deport him. The judge presiding over the hearing today said that she did not have enough time to review all of the evidence here, so she postponed until June 10th. In the newsroom, Sabrina Franza, CBS News, Chicago.
Sabrina, thanks.